This video will show you how to install R and RStudio. R is a programming language that can help you program, analyze data, and get results really quickly in a really powerful way. And RStudio is a platform that is built on top of R that helps you see the data better. So what we actually want to do by the end of today is install both R and RStudio and show you how to use the very basics of it. So what we're gonna need first is to install R. So you can search Google for R project. The first link, it's called rproject.org. So if you go to that website, it takes you to the R website. And here you can download it. So you click download R. You can click the first link, doesn't matter. And now you can select if you want to download it for Mac or for Windows. So I'm using Windows at the moment, so I'll just download this one. It's right here. I'll just open it and install it. And once it's installed, then I'll install RStudio. So you have to understand R is the language itself, and RStudio is the kind of visualization built on top of it. So I need to install the language first and then the whole platform on top of it. Otherwise it wouldn't work. So I'm starting with R project, which is the actual programming language. So I'll choose where to install this. I'll just install the default installation. Won't change anything. I'll just leave it as it is to keep it simple. And let this install. Should be pretty quick. Nearly done. Once this is done, then I'll go and find RStudio and install RStudio. All of this is free, so that's a really nice thing about it. And for that reason, a lot of researchers these days use R because it's just so approachable. So the other thing I want is RStudio, so I'll go to Google again and go to RStudio. So this is RStudio. I'll go to the website. And this basically makes using R really simple as possible. So I'll download this RStudio desktop, so I just get the free version. It lets me do anything I want anyways. I can choose Windows or Mac or Linux. So I'm on Windows, I'll download this one. It's right here. And now I'll just install RStudio. Just wait a moment for it to open. Select where I want to install it. And just wait for it to install. So this is installing RStudio. Once all of this is done, I will actually never use R, I'll just use RStudio because that's built on top of it and lets me interact with the programming language a lot easier. Done. So all of this is done. Now I can actually open RStudio. RStudio right here. And now you can just start RStudio from your computer. So I just open RStudio and this is it. I'll just cover the basics with you. So this is RStudio. It's broken into 3 different sections. You have the code on the left, you have the environment on the right. So this is where all of your data is going to be stored. And these are your files on your computer or your results. So you have 3 different sections. You can have actually 4 different sections if you want to. So you can have an additional section that stores the code you wrote for you. So to bring up that section, I'll make a new file. So file, new R script, and this creates a new script for me. So here I can just write my code and run the code. So this is gonna be a place that stores my code. At the bottom, this is a place where I can run my code. So this is the actual R language that runs everything. I have my environment here. This stores all my data, and this is an kind of like a visualization part that would show tables, graphs, or files on my computer if I wanted to. I'll just cover the very basics with you, but I'll probably do it in a separate video. So I want to leave this video just for the installation. If you want to know the basics of how to use R, just visit the second video. I'll probably link it in the description box below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.